Hello and good afternoon. I am the Alpha Wolf of the Wolf Pack of the Thunder. I want to inform you I have news and I will post a link for you. Number one, there's a player that we have. I think his name is Gabriel Verpapass. I think that's his name. But last night in Reading, he got suspended for 5 games, and he cannot play for the home opener. And even Alexander Carrier also did what he did, but Carrier is not suspended. But for tonight's preseason game, it's the same team against Reading. I hope he can win the game, and I don't even know if I am going or not, because nobody is taking me, and my own sister told me to find someone to take me, and nobody wants to help out the Alpha Wolf. So I might be stuck here for tonight if nobody help if nobody helps me out. I cannot listen to the game on the radio. But things happen. But I really want to go see the game tonight. I know it's only preseason, but I want to see my local hockey team play against Reading. And but deep down, I am one of their biggest supporters, the number one fan of all time, and nobody wants to help me out. I was trying to reach out to Conor Riley. He would not email me. He would not even email me back, or James Henry as well. That's what I'm saying. I know he's busy. This is a preseason game, but how can I get to a game? How can I get to a game if nobody helps me out? That's my point. I'm not trying to ask anyone. I was told by a family. I was told by a family member for me to ask around, and nobody wants to help me out. So, anyways, if I can't go, I'm gonna stay home, watch my aliens, do some scratch offs, and get some beer. And I hope, like to me, I'm not mad, but the whole point is I want to see the Thunder before the regular season begins in 2 weeks. But we have 3 away games: Maine, Worcester, and Brampton. So I will be listening to those games. Or, let's put it this way, I have to talk to my cousin about this, but I don't know if he wants to do it or not. I have to talk to him tomorrow and see if he would do a afternoon game, maybe, in Worcester. I don't even know, because I wanna see Worcester versus the Thunder in Worcester, so I can support the Thunder. Because I want to do like a couple road trips, and support the Thunder. I don't know if I can do that or not. I want to, but people love to be busy and work on the weekends. And I hope you understand. This is going to be short because, again, I don't know what's going to... Like, deep down, I'm not mad, but to me, I want to see hockey. I know, but I keep repeating myself, but I just want somebody to be nice enough to invite me out to a game. And nobody can't even do that. Look at the new player who got suspended. I do not even know him yet. He used to play with like Norfolk, and he got suspended. He got suspended already. I will post the ECHL link for that so you guys can read that. Please understand one thing. I take the hockey stuff very seriously. I get everything ready for the upcoming season. I have documents that I have in my own personal file space on my iPad because I got everything all set for the regular season. And nobody understands that. And nobody wants to take me seriously. I know it's preseason, but I want to see a game. So favorite, like, and share, and subscribe to the Alpha Wolf. Me. Turn on your post notifications, turn on the Thunder Hells bells being informed with every Thunder video. And also, all week, all month, all the way to April. Hockey news, game recaps, everything within the Thunder. I want to talk about. So, anyways, I hope you understand. So, anyways, like, that's what I'm saying to you guys. People don't understand me, and they can't even help me out. I'll see you guys later. New video up maybe tonight, if I'm here. If not, I'll be at the game. If I'm there.